today we're going to install the passenger seat on this 2010 Nissan 370z. Alright, first thing we're going to do is grab the chair and throw it in. Alright, I like to put it with the backrest in first. Then all you simply do is just align it into place. See how simple that was? Then we grab our 4 screws. These are all 14 millimeter, and we'll tie down all 4 ends. Alright, since the seat is already positioned forward, let's just go ahead and move the recliner forward. Alright, once you have your seat positioned forward, go ahead and pick it up from the bottom and tilt it back, and let's go ahead and connect our pigtails right into their locations. Alright, they all go into their own location. There's no way you can mess that up. And then we're going to go ahead and connect these pigtails right there, and the bottom one way down here. And before I forget, you do have to pass this one from underneath that bar. I had to disconnect my pigtails and redo it. This one's gonna go right in here like so. Now let's go ahead and sit our seat down. Let's go ahead and align it up in the back. There it is. There it is. Let's go ahead and put in our 2 screws that are going to hold it into place. There and here. And we'll go ahead and hand tighten these down, and we'll hit them with the impact. Alright. I should have checked if the front ones are aligned. Hopefully it is. Let's go ahead and pull the handle. And it's not. Alright, I hate it when I'm right. So I loosened these up. And now let's go ahead, move this back. Now align this up. Put on the screws here. And this one here. Come on, you. There it is. Alright. Now we're ready to bolt them down. And this one here. Alright, and here's our little caps. Let's go ahead and put them into place. I only have 3, so I'm going to put 1 in the rear and 2 in the front. Alright, so here are the caps in the front. And we're set. Alright, now let's go ahead and connect our negative terminal back into the battery. Alright, and let's go ahead and secure that with a 10 millimeter. You could either use a wrench or a socket. I'm going to use a wrench just because, well, 10s tend to disappear around here. They like to go exploring to new dimensions. So let's go ahead and just secure that down. Alright, there it is, nice and secured. Let's go ahead and put our cover back on, and we're set. Sweet, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.